National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has held Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha responsible for the volatile situation in the Chenab region. This follows the arrest of MLA Miraj Malik under the Public Safety Act (PSA), which has sparked widespread protest and the unrest in the region. Abdullah's statement highlights the growing tension between the local population and the authorities. A parliamentary delegation from Azad Jammu and Kashmir has urged a unified national stance on the Kashmir issue. The delegation emphasized the need for a collective approach to resolve the long-standing dispute, which has been a major point of contention between India and Pakistan. This calls for unity comes at a time when tension between the two nations remain high. The Indian Supreme Court has moved to cancel the Pakistan's India-Asia Cup match, citing Hindutva ideology. The development has sparked concerns about the growing influence of extremist ideologies in Indian sports. The cancellation of the match has also raised questions about the future of India-Pakistan sporting ties. Hurriyat leader Hayat Ahmed Butt was released after 6 years from Kot Palwal jail in Jammu, India-occupied Kashmir. Butt's release has been welcomed by his supporters and comes as a very significant development in the region's ongoing struggle for self-determination. During his imprisonment, Butt was subjected to harsh conditions, which drew widespread condemnation from human rights groups. The imposition of the Public Safety Act (PSA) on MLA Miraj Malik has drawn strong condemnation from across political spectrum. Leaders from various parties have termed the move as assault on democracy and a belated attempt to silence dissenting voices. The PSA has been widely criticized for its draconian provisions, which allowed for detention without trial. The demolition of homes has sparked widespread concern and protest. The affected communities have accused the authorities of targeting them based on their ethnicity and faith. Human rights groups have condemned the move, citing concerns about the displacement and marginalization of vulnerable populations. The incident has raised questions about the Indian government's commitment to protecting the rights of its minority citizens.